electrifying fascination as Fluke Starbucker discovers the princess's secret message.
Help me, Augie Bendoggie. You're my only hope. Help me, Augie Bendoggie. You're my...
Golly!
Help me, Augie Bendoggie. You're my only hope.
There's heart-gripping drama as Fluke meets the venerable Augie Bendoggie.
Your father wanted you to have this when you were old enough.
Gosh! Wow-wee! Jeepers! Golly willikers!
You'll feel supercharged with intrigue as the adventurers join forces on an heroic mission to save the princess.
An Imperial steam trooper.
Uh-oh.
Identification?
Gee, I think I left my ID in my other pants. Look, we're in kind of a hurry.
These aren't the drones you want.
These aren't the drones we want.
You don't want to detain us.
We don't want to detain you.
You'll never see a more wretched hive of scum and villainy.